Is snoring ruining your life? 50% of snorers have sleep apnea, a life-threatening disorder affecting 20 million Americans. Tragically, many don't even know until they get tested. At Seattle Sleep Medicine in Edmonds, we treat snoring and sleep apnea with a comfortable, easy-to-use, FDA-approved oral appliance.
Oral sleep appliances can save your marriage, your job, and your life. You deserve to wake up healthy and happy.
For over 30 years, patients have trusted Dr. Joe Albert. Call him today. Start living a healthier, happy life.